Hi guys, ang rapid ng Canon na ito guys. Promise, swear to God. There we go. Boom. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Canon. 3 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And then this. Just like that. There. There you go. Testing. Oh, wow. Rapid. Now this is my size. Then, okay. You can design this like that. So, you can design that. There you go. Boom. Bye guys. Bye, thanks for